Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tech and Art. So hope you guys doing well. Hope you watched my previous session. Whoever not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so you will get the further video notification. Let's start the today's session. So in a today's session, we will discuss about the faster way to resync the log shipping. So we will discuss couple of scenarios how to resolve this issue, right? So if you see here, we have a scenario where the log shipping getting failed of a very critical database, production database of size also huge like 4 TB, right? So when you are doing the investigation, you notice that the log shipping chain has been broken and the restore jobs getting failed because of the backup missing. So what's happened? So basically backups is not present on that particular shared location, and because of that restore job is getting failed. Now the question is, can we fix the issue without reinitializing the log shipping, right? Yes, we can do that, because we, as you are aware, the size of database is too high, like 4 TB, and the backups also maybe kept on some network location, and from there you can pull the backups and do the from the scratch. It will take too much time, so you need to fix this issue as soon as possible. So yes, the answer is yes, we can do that. So how we can do that, we'll discuss in this session. Please stay with us and please watch the complete video. At the end of the video I will tell you some tips about it, right? So let's assume you have the scheduled backup strategy like this. So full backup Sunday 11 PM and the differential you have the Monday to Sunday 11 PM, and we have a log shipping transition log backup with the log shipping, right, every 15 minutes. Now the scenario is log shipping breaks. It's happened the Tuesday at 10 PM and you got the call, right? So now you need to start the investigation, and you found it, the Tuesday around 10 PM log shipping it's broken because of the missing backup, right? So what you will do, the first point it will come to your mind, right, whether the backups happened or not on a primary. So you will check the full backups, it's done on Sunday 11 PM, and the differential also Monday 11 PM, and the Tuesday also 11 PM it's done, right? So now you are getting the failure at what time? Tuesday 10 PM. So Tuesday 10 PM you are getting the failure, and Tuesday 11 PM backups, differential backups done on primary, right? So now you check the backup strategy, all those backups checked. Now step to fix the issue, right? So how can you fix the issue? So what you will do, as you see, the differential backups happened after the log shipping chain broken, right? So you will use that differential backup to resync the log shipping. So how can you do that? You use the differential backup to resync the log shipping, copy that differential backup and restore on the secondary instance, and use the below command, right? So use this restore command with no recovery and copy that backup to secondary and restore it, that differential, and then you start these 3 jobs sequentially, right? So once you start these jobs, automatically your log shipping will be synced. So issue is fixed. So benefit of this, taking the help of differential backup, no need to reinitialize the log shipping with and a lot of time saved here, because as you are aware, taking the full backup then transferring to the secondary and restore it will take huge time. So use that differential backup and do the restoration on target and start these all 3 jobs. It will reinitiate the log shipping. Now we'll discuss about scenario 2. In scenario 1, as we saw that the log shipping break-in happened in 10 PM, right, Tuesday. In scenario 2, log shipping is going to break at Sunday 10 p.m. right? Again the same steps. What you will do, you will start the investigation and you find it again the backup missing happened. There is no backup on primary, and because of that restore job is getting failed. So what you will do, again you will check the backup strategy, whether the backup happened or not. So what is the scenario here now? So log shipping failed Sunday 10 p.m. ls restore job getting failed. You are getting the alert. After that full backup Sunday 11 p.m. completed successfully. Then log backups are every 15 minutes, not happening, because getting applied to the second, not getting applied to the secondary, because log shipping is not in a sync, right? Because it's got the failure happened at 10 p.m. right? So now to step fixing this issue, scenario 2, same thing it will come to your mind. As you can see the full backups happen 11 p.m. After that there is no differential backups. In scenario 1, what we did, the differential backup was there on a Tuesday 11 p.m. So we used this differential here and restored it. We did the restoration and it's happened, right? It's working now. So again you will try to do same thing, right? So again you will take the differential backup. As you can see there is no differential happened after full. So you will take the differential and you will try to copy it and you will try to restore on secondary. So once you try to restore on secondary with the same command with no recovery, it will not succeed. It will getting failed. Definitely it will get failed. So in this scenario you have the only option, you need to re-establish the log shipping, right? If you go with this line, differential backup will not help in scenario 2. Why it's not happening we'll discuss later. So in a first scenario, yes, I can do the resync the log shipping with the help of differential backup, but in a scenario 2 we are not able to fix the resync the log shipping issue with the help of differential backup. So why it's not able to have not able to getting fixed with the differential backup? So that we can describe bit here based on the LSN. So I have designed this table. So you need to understand bit LSN sequence number, log sequence number. Let's focus here all those LSN. When you are in a step 1, when you are initiating the log shipping in initial phase, when you are configuring the log shipping, what we are doing, we are taking the backup of primary and we are restoring the on a secondary, right? So when you are taking the backup, LSN will be generated, right? So that same LSN will be transferred to the secondary, right? After that, what's it's happening automatically, the jobs log backup run is copied and restored. Same process is happening. There is no change, right? So LSN is same, because one in a initial phase you did the restoration. So same based LSN is there on a secondary also. After that log backup is running and copying and restoring. So there is no LSN mismatch, right? LSN is same. In a step 3, subsequent log backup copy restore done. So it's happening, right? If you come to a step 4 here, you can see what it's happening here. In a step 4, the full backup happened on primary, occurs on primary. So what is this LSN on a step 4 for full? Sorry, 1 second. What's happened? If you come here, see this LSN. So in a step for full backup occurs on primary, LSN is changed. Sorry. So you can see 0043, but the same LSN not replicated on on a secondary. On a secondary it was previous only 0036. Once the in a step 5 log backup taken and copied and restoration on secondary, then LSN is matching as a primary. As you can see here, 0043 on secondary as well. So what's happening here, your log backups, your log backups carrying the based LSN and applying on a secondary as well. So once the full backup occurred on a primary, after that log backup is carrying the LSN and restoring on a secondary. So secondary LSN base will be also same like primary, right? And we all aware here in a scenario 2, if you come here, scenario 2, why we are not able to use the differential here. As we know, the differential backup only able to apply once the the full backup applied on that particular database. Let's say you have a database and you didn't restore the full backup, you are trying to restore on a differential backup, it will getting failed because full backup base is not there, the differential LSN base is not there. So same thing happened in the scenario 2. If you see the full backup Sunday 11 PM completed successfully. Once the but if you focus here, it's completed after the log shipping getting failed. So log shipping getting failed here Sunday 10 PM. After that full database backup completed on a primary, right? So what it did on a primary, LSN is changed, right? And now that LSN is not replicated till now on a secondary because your log shipping getting failed on 10 PM, right? And after that 11 PM your full backup is happened and that LSN is changed now, right? So your log backup is not working here and it's not replicating on secondary, right? So because of that, you are not, if you are taking the differential, you are trying to apply on trying to restore on a secondary, it's not happening here. If you look at this error, it's not replicating on that, right? Because LSN is not there. Now LSN is changed, right? You are getting my point. So based on this LSN, you can easily understand why in a scenario 2 we are not able to apply the differential backup. As you can see in step 4 log backup happened, same thing here also, the full backup had happened and LSN is changed. So once the LSN is changed, there is no so it's not replicated on a on the target secondary. So because of that, we are not able to apply the differential backup. So because of that, we didn't able to fix the scenarios 2 issue. But yes, if you go with the scenario 1, yes, we are able to fix the issue with a very minimal downtime, minimal time. No need to reinitiate the log shipping at all. So hope it's clear, guys, both scenario. So hope you understand the why we are not able to apply the differential backup in a scenario 2 and why we are able to apply on a scenario 1, right? So what I will do, in the next session, I will create the live demo here. I will recreate the scene and I will show you guys how we are able to apply the differential and able to resync the log shipping. And in scenario 2 also we can create and we'll see why we are not able to reapply the log shipping. So thanks guys, hope it's clear. We'll meet you in the next video very soon. Till then, bye bye, and please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.